Article 19 of the Indian Constitution guarantees certain fundamental freedoms to all citizens. These freedoms include the right to freedom of speech and expression, the right to assemble peacefully and without arms, the right to form associations or unions, the right to move freely throughout the territory of India, the right to reside and settle in any part of India, and the right to practice any profession, occupation, trade, or business. Here is the text of Article 19. Article 19 says, protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech, etc. Article 19, Clause 1. All citizens shall have the right: A. To freedom of speech and expression. B. To assemble peaceably and without arms. C. To form associations or unions. D. To move freely throughout the territory of India. E. To reside and settle in any part of the territory of India. And F. To practice any profession or to carry on any occupation, trade, or business. Clause 2. Nothing in subclause A of Clause 1 shall affect the operation of any existing law or prevent the state from making any law, insofar as such law imposes reasonable restrictions on the exercise of the right conferred by the said subclause in the interests of the sovereignty and integrity of India, the security of the state, friendly relations with foreign states, public order, decency, or morality, or in relation to contempt of court, defamation, or incitement to an offense. Case related to Article 19, Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India, 1978. In this landmark case, the Supreme Court expanded the interpretation of Article 19 by holding that the right to life under Article 21 includes the right to personal liberty and the right to travel abroad. The court emphasized that any law that seeks to restrict the exercise of fundamental rights must adhere to the principles of reasonableness and fairness. Article 19 plays a crucial role in upholding the democratic values of free speech, association, movement, and profession in India. It ensures that citizens have the freedom to express themselves, assemble peacefully, form associations, and pursue their livelihoods without unreasonable restrictions, while also allowing for certain limitations in the interest of maintaining public order and national security.